Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be waving and curling my client. So I'm going to curl on top of the waves that I create. I'm going to give her a head full of finger waves, and then we'll go in and curl on top of that and give her like a, kind of like maybe the 1920s type vibe hairstyle. So as usual, I'm just using my Nairobi foam wrap. Nairobi is the only foam wrap that I use when I'm molding and waving. And when you're doing waves, you want to make sure you kind of use like a lot of foam. Not too much, but you see how I have it like heavily saturated. The foam is in my fingers, there's extra, and there's like foam everywhere pretty much. That's kind of how you need it because you need the hair to slide. So now that I've got her waves all set in, I'm just going to wrap her with my wrap strips. She's going to sit under the dryer for about 45 minutes until her hair is all dry, and then we'll curl it. So as you can see, I'm just curling piece by piece, panel by panel. And what I'm really doing is I'm curling each part that I waved. So if I waved it to the front, I'm curling it to the front. If I waved it to the back, I'm curling it to the back. Easy, right? that I'm just about finished curling, I'm just gonna use a little bit of my Shine spray that I've got from Kenra, and I'm just gonna go in and like finger fluff and move some pieces around. And if there's any pieces that I missed that were a little long, I'll just take my shears and cut that little piece off, like that piece. And then just make sure everything is perfect, and use my comb and put her waves back in the way I had them before. And that's gonna create just like a nice soft wave curl type style.
I need to do too. Now, mind you, I had like 8 pictures, and everybody kept looking at one.
Really?
That one.
That's cute.